Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I don't think I've filmed since I dyed my hair. I'm blonder than I was. I also feel like I look really dead right now, so let's just jump into this video. I'm going to be doing my May BOXYCHARM unboxing and try on. I didn't do an unboxing last month because honestly I just had lost track of time and I just didn't get around to it, but a lot of the products that were in last month's box I actually already owned, so I don't think that's why I was super excited for it. I know a ColourPop eyeshadow palette came in it. It was a You Had Me at Hello palette, which I obviously already have, so I actually put that palette in my kit. I palette a lot and I just wanted to put it in my kit, so anyways, let's just jump into this video. The theme is Boxy Bash, and the first product that's in here are some brushes. These are from the brand Aesthetica, which is funny. They're actually, I get this question a lot, but it's like, what's the first brand that ever sent you PR? And it's actually Aesthetica, so that's really cool. I actually really do like their products. We have a angled brush. Let me take these out really quick. This 3-piece eye trio retails for $45. You do get 3 brushes in here, which is kind of expensive because that means that each brush is $15. But then again, it comes in the box and the box is 21 bucks anyway, so it's not like you're actually paying that much, but for what it is, it's kind of pricey. We have an angled brush, which is pretty thick. She's thick with 3 C's. And then we have this eyeliner brush. Looks like this. It just looks like a little paintbrush. Honestly, that's pretty thick too for eyeliner. And then we also have a spoolie, which I can always appreciate a spoolie on its own, honestly. I really like when spoolies are on their own. I'm completely honest, I don't really think that I will be using these 2 brushes. This one just seems way too thick to do eyeliner with, and for me personally, I also think that this eyeliner brush is a little too thick to do eyeliner with, so I'm going to put those 2 brushes aside. But I do like the spoolie. I have in here is from the brand called Pretty Vulgar. It is this eyeliner, and the packaging of this is super cute. This is an ink gel eyeliner. It retails for $24. I know that they sell this brand at Sephora. It looks like a little ink, I don't know why I smelled it, but it looks like a little ink pot. The packaging is on point. It's really, really cute. I'm going to do my eyeshadow really quick before I go into eyeliner, and then I'll be right back. Went ahead and just put some eyeshadow on. I just put one eyeshadow. It's the Kat Von D Lolita eyeshadow. It's my favorite single shadow of all time. How many times did I just say shadow? I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the Pretty Vulgar eyeliner. I'm using an eyeliner brush that I have already, the one that I personally like to use. This one is from Makeup Geek, and I just like that it's angled. It's easier to use. I already know that I will not like that brush. I'm very, very, very picky when it comes to eyeliner brushes, so yeah. I'm just gonna go, I feel like you have to go real deep in here. I don't even, oh, there we go. You guys know I hardly ever even do eyeliner anymore, but for the sake of this video, I will. Okay, it's really black. It's really creamy, and it's just gliding on the eye. Pretty black, I like it. And it's pretty matte too. Not bad. I am gonna go back in and clean it up with concealer anyway, but so far it's pretty good. I like it. I would definitely pay $24 for it. It seems pretty nice. My favorite gel liner is the one from Maybelline, but I feel like this one is pretty black. I like it. I'm gonna fix this. Don't worry, it's not gonna look like this in 2 seconds when I clean it up with concealer, but so far so good. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera because doing eyeliner on camera stresses me out. Now that I have my eyeliner on, I actually really, really do like the eyeliner. I will definitely be reaching for it when I do want to wear eyeliner, which isn't very often, but whenever I will wear eyeliner, I really did like the formula of it. I like that it was super creamy. It's really black. It's matte. If I went over a piece, it didn't pick up any of the other eyeliner, if that makes any sense. it didn't like drag on my eyes. It just felt really nice. I'm very impressed with it, and I personally would pay $24 for it. I always love finding like really good products that I know I will continue to use. And the next product we have this right here. This is the Cover FX Blurring Primer. It's a lightweight, soft focus primer that blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines, and other imperfections, creating a smooth canvas. So I actually took a little bit of this on my hand earlier, and it feels very silicone-y, which I personally don't really ever use in primers. I know the Fenty one has silicone in it, but it doesn't feel like that like silicone-y feel, you know? So I'm just going to take a little bit of this and just put it like in this area. I personally don't really like those kind of primers all over my face, but it definitely looks like it blurred this area right here. It's not too silicone-y, like it's not like the Professional, because I do not like the Professional like at all. I use that all over my face. I am going to take my Fenty primer on the rest of my face because I literally can only use the Fenty primer now, because even though it has a little bit of that silicone-y feel, it also kind of hydrates my skin too for that foundation, because that foundation is super matte. So this definitely mattified this area right here, the Cover FX primer, and I'm gonna see how it looks with the Fenty primer, the Fenty foundation, because that foundation is really matte, so that's why I always use like a hydrating primer and stuff with it. So let's see how the foundation goes on top of it. I also wanted to mention that I didn't put the Cover FX primer on my nose because my nose is the driest part of my entire face, so I know that it probably won't work very well on my nose. It doesn't seem to be like sitting weird or anything on top of the primer, so that's good. Yeah, I'm not like noticing any like separation or anything like that, so that's good. That was what I was worried about. I was just worried that it was going to be like too dry in that area, but it seems to be working fine with the foundation. Did I mention that retails for $38. For the rest of my face, I do have this Pure Sculpting palette, so I will use that when I come back, but I'm going to do like my concealer and all that good stuff. Now I'm going to go into this palette right here. This retails for $30, so this is their Sculptor palette. Okay, I can definitely not use that. I hadn't opened it until right now. People of a deeper skin tone or any people of color will definitely probably be able to use this, which is great. I've done like maybe like a lighter contour and then like a deeper contour, but these both look pretty deep, of different like brands that carry bronzers and contour shades that suit my skin tone, so it's not that big of a deal. So I'm just going to go into another bronzer. I'm just going to take the Physicians Formula Sunkissed bronzer, which is my fave. I am going to use the highlights though and see how those work on my skin tone. So I completely forgot that this brush was in the box, but this is also from Aesthetica, and it is their P12 face brush. This retails for $27. I'm just going to apply the rest of my blush with this because I don't think I would use this for like bronzer or anything. So just applying a little bit more blush. I think this brush would be good for bronzers that are pretty pigmented because it's pretty fluffy, so, or even like blushes that are really pigmented. But yeah, by the way, I'm using the blush from the Physicians Formula Butter Collection palette. I love it. I don't know if they saw that one individually. It's Vintage Rouge, but it's really pretty. So I'm going to try the highlight in this palette. It smells really good. It smells like vanilla, I think. Maybe not. I don't know. I thought I smelled vanilla. So I'm taking a highlight in the shade Originator. It's okay. It's pretty subtle. A lot more subtle than what I would personally use for highlight. Oh, I mean, you can build it up. It's still pretty subtle for me, at least. Like, I like a more, I don't know, it's not that it's not intense. I feel like it kind of just like is sitting on top of my skin. I don't know. It kind of just looks like, yeah, she has highlighter on, not like, oh, she's dewy or glowy. I don't know. I don't really care for it. This palette for me was kind of a dud, and I don't really see myself using it. So I'm actually going to go in with my Raisin highlighter because it's my favorite, and that makes me look booming. And this one just makes my skin look wet, so. And that's like the kind of highlight that I want. There we go. I'm gonna finish the rest of my face really quick and I will be right back. I put some lashes on. I feel like they look really dramatic just because I got a lash lift. So like my actual lashes are really curly, so they're like pushing them up. But it's fine. There is one last product in this box which I'm not going to be using today, but it is from the brand Beauty Creations. It is their matte lip gloss. I actually watched Kathleen's video and she said that this liquid lipstick like felt really sticky and that like it felt like it was gonna be really hard to come off, and I actually hate liquid lipsticks like that, so I'm not gonna be using it in today's video, but this is what it looks like, and it does retail for $10. So if that's something that doesn't bother you, then I would try it out. It's 10 bucks. It's pretty affordable. But personally for me, I just don't like those kind of liquid lipsticks. If you guys are wondering, I am wearing the Physicians Formula Healthy Lip Liquid Lip in the shade Raisin Immunity. That's what I have on my lips right now, and it's really comfortable. I really like these Healthy Lip formula. But yeah, I'm not going to be using that in today's video. I probably would give it to like my mom or something because she likes those colors. So let me add up everything in this month's box. The value of this month's box is $174, which is still really good considering the box is $21. I always say I don't know how they do it. You get full-size items in here. Was this my favorite box that we've gotten? No, just because I don't see myself using the primer because I don't really see a difference in my skin. I do absolutely love this eyeliner though, so I'm really happy that this was in the box. And since this eyeliner is 24 bucks and the box is only 21, you are getting your entire money's worth. This was I'm not gonna be able to use this. I don't like the highlighter in it. The other highlighter would be too dark, and then the contour shades are way too deep for my skin tone. So I'm gonna be giving this to probably someone, since I did use it, I'm probably gonna give it to one of my friends or someone that is a little bit more of a deeper complexion than I am. The brushes, the trio was whatever. I did actually like this big fluffy brush though. I like it for blush, and I thought it applied it really lightly, and it'll give me like a light application of blush, especially because I do have some blushes that are pretty pigmented and I kind of stray away from them because I always go a little too heavy-handed with them. But so that was pretty much it. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. I know a lot of you guys were telling me that you were sad that I didn't make unboxing last month, but I didn't get around to it last month, so I apologize. May has been a crazy month. It's always really crazy because it's wedding and prom season, so I have clients literally all month, so it's really hard to do everything. But like I've said this before, follow me on Instagram if you don't already, because it's where I'm the most active. I feel like I've been uploading on Instagram a lot, so on Twitter is where I'm probably the most active as well. So if you guys miss me on here, then make sure to follow me over on my other social platforms. I'll leave a link down below if you guys want to sign up for BOXYCHARM, an affiliate link, so if you guys don't feel comfortable with affiliate links, that's totally fine. You can just go to boxycharm.com and sign up. But if you guys do use my affiliate link, I do get like a really tiny commission from it. So thank you so much, and thank you for supporting me. I will leave that link down below for you as always. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.